Hey everyone, here's a quick tutorial to show you how to add a Chartboost More Apps page to your app. It shouldn't be too hard. You download the SDK, you drop it into your project here. You technically only need the chartboost.a and the chartboost.h. I just dropped the whole folder in because it's fairly simple. Once you've got it dropped into your project folder, you're going to switch back to Xcode, and you're going to right click or control click depending on how you have your mouse set up, add files to your project, and select Chartboost. Once that's done, you're going to go to your App Delegate.h. If you're going to be using Chartboost delegates, which I'm not covering in this tutorial, you need to put your import in the Chartboost.h and put Chartboost delegate here. Then you're going to switch to App Delegate.m. You're going to go to Application to become active. You're going to create an instance of Chartboost here. You're going to create an app in Chartboost, and you're going to get the app ID and the app signature and put them here. If you are using delegate methods of Chartboost, then you will use this line here. You start a Chartboost session, and then you show an interstitial if you want to. That's how you show the interstitial. That part's fairly simple. You go to your project root folder, and you need to add, make sure that all of these are added to your project. You've got Quartz Core, System Configuration, Core Graphics, Store Kit, and Add Support. And you add those just by clicking here, typing in the name, and then click Add. For Store Kit and Add Support, make sure that you set it to optional right here. That's to prevent crashing on older devices that do not have those frameworks available. Once that's done, you can go back to your Chartboost dashboard. So I've created a campaign here called More Apps, and you go Add Campaign, Publish in the Network. I've already done that, so I'm just going to switch here, and I've created a More Apps publishing campaign. So once you click on that, this is what it's going to look like. Campaign is on, name your campaign. Campaign starts immediate, it's not going to end. This one's running for iOS. Pick the app that you're going to show it in. And then set up your campaign logic. I want do not show an interstitial in this location. You can include or exclude device lists, so it only shows on certain devices. You can target it by countries, by device, and I'm going to save since I changed it. Once you've got that done, switch over to your apps page. Select the app that you put it in. This is my test app for showing this. Now on your apps page, switch to More Apps. And this is where we're going to set up which apps get shown. So you can show your own apps. If you want to advertise your own apps, then like I only have these two set up in here. You can select. Well, this is the one that the ads are going to be shown in, so it doesn't matter. You can show this, and the campaign that you just set up is the More Apps publishing campaign. So every time you select this, it will show another ad with another game. So just keep selecting that with however many you want to show up. Remember that the 5S screens are a little longer, so you're going to need a little bit more. So this is how you customize which ads are going to show. You can change a featured label and a button label if you want. I believe I haven't messed with that. So once you've got that set up, click Done. Your campaign is set up. So now we're going to switch back over to Xcode. We're going to go to the view controller, and I'm just going to create a button here real quick that we can sorry, that we can use to launch our More Apps page. Here's the view controller, so let's just drag out a button. Here we go. And we are going to connect that button to our view controller. I'm going to do it right in the .m file. So hold down Control, drag. We want an action for the button. This is going to be action More Apps page. We'll connect it, so now you can see the methods created. We'll switch back over to our view controller. We'll switch to here. I believe we need to import Chartboost here. And then once that's done, to show the More Apps page, it's fairly simple. All you need to do is go. You need to create an instance of Chartboost. So, oops. CB equals Chartboost. Shared Chartboost, and then you're going to go CB. Show More Apps. And we'll give this a go. I'm going to launch this in a simulator. Let's see if we can do a small one here. Pardon me. So we're building it here. It should show up in the simulator here in just a second. Wait for it to launch the simulator. So once it shows up, it should show an interstitial immediately because we have that in App Delegate. And sorry. And it should also have a button in which we can launch the More Apps page. Here's our simulator. Geez, I don't usually do this much talking first thing in the morning. Well, guess I should have launched this before I started recording the video. There we go. Okay, so there's your Chartboost interstitial. We can create a campaign the same way we created the other one, so this should launch the More Apps page. And there you go. Then you can click on any of these. You can scroll. So for every one of those you drag and drop in your campaign, it will show there. So we'll dismiss it. That's pretty much all there is to it. Hope it helps. Good luck. Thanks for watching.